Hi, I am Vishwanath, class 8th, studying in Murali Desai Residential School, Kaloli. Let's we start mathematics in nature. ನಿಸರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿನ ಗಣಿತ. First one is tessellation in nature. Tessellation means a tessellation is a pattern of shapes that fit together with no gaps. What do tessellation have to do with nature? I take an example for tessellation, a honeycomb. Did you recognize the shape that makes a honeycomb? We see it is like hexagon shape. You see above sentence, tessellation means a tessellation is a pattern of shapes that fit together with no gaps. You see this honeycomb hexagon shapes there are fit together with no gaps. I am take another example for tessellation. The snake skin. You are all see a snake. The snake it is also one example for tessellation. You see this picture, the snake's top leather picture. You see many shapes on snake skin. These shapes fit together with no gaps. Many examples like pineapple and turtle. Second one is shapes in nature. I take example for shapes in nature. The sun. We see this sun. It is in which shape? Yes, it is in circle shapes. There is not a one uncountable shapes in nature. When we see a thing, it is in a shapes. The circle shapes like moon. It is in a circle shape. Volleyball. It is in a circle shape. The birthday cake in it is any shape like circle, square, rectangle, and star shapes. I take another example for shapes in nature. Another example for shape in nature. We see this mirror. What shape it is? Yes, its shape is rectangular. When we come from bathroom and you going out from your house, we look your face in mirror. Example for reading book, television, radio, and door, etc. Third one is numbers in nature. What doing this man? Yes, the man counting the money. He counting the numbers of money. He count the money by telling numbers. Number is in a maths. Other examples for flowers petals and potato trader count the potato and measured and sold. Other example for numbers in nature, a hibiscus flower. In this flower there are four petals. Four it is in number. Fourth one, symmetry in nature. Symmetry is everywhere you look in nature. There are two types in symmetry. First one, bilateral symmetry, in which an object has two sides that are mirror image of each other. Second one, the other kind of symmetry is radial symmetry. This is where there is a center point and numerous lines of symmetry could be drawn. Symmetry means symmetry is when a figure has two sides that are mirror image of one another. It would then be possible to draw a line through a picture of the object, and along either side the image would look exactly the same. This line would be called the line of symmetry. Types of symmetry. First one, bilateral symmetry. Butterfly is an example for bilateral symmetry. Second one example, we see another example for bilateral symmetry. The human body would be an excellent of a living being that has bilateral symmetry. Second one, radial symmetry. The most obvious geometric example would be a circle. Another example, a few more pictures in nature showing radial symmetry. First one, orange symmetry. Another example, flower symmetry. More examples like stars, squares, rectangle, and a door. The speed of the cheetah is in the maths. The speed of the bike is in the maths. The speed of the air is in the maths. Temperature of all places are measured in maths. Every butterfly store nectar is measured in maths. You see this dam water. The dam water is measured in either in terms of cusics or TMCFT. Cusic is informal shortened for cubic feet per seconds. It can be converted to 28.317 liter per second. You see these seeds. In nature, the growing of seeds is also maths. We see length growings of seeds. The six maths inspiring quotes about mathematics. First one, according to Carl Friedrich Gauss, mathematics is the queen of the science. Second one, according to Proclus, wherever there is number, there is beauty. Third one, it is about becoming a mathematical thinker, not a calculator. Fourth one, according to Galileo, the book of nature is written in the language of mathematics. Fifth one, according to Shakuntala Devi, without mathematics there is nothing you can do, everything around you is mathematics. Sixth one, according to Stephen Banach, mathematics is as old as man. The laws of nature are but the mathematical thoughts of God. Mathematics is everywhere in this universe. We seldom note it. We enjoy nature and are not interested in going deep about what mathematical idea is in it. Here are a few properties of mathematics data depicted in nature. Thank you for watching this video.